All right, everyone, if you sell online in 2025 or 2026, there's a new AI system that beats saturated niches and high ad costs. This is for creators and affiliates. This just launched, and it's the hottest product of the year, and it's going to be the hottest product probably for the next couple years. It's a great opportunity, so I wanted to get this out to you guys to let you know to get in now and check this out, because if you ever heard of ClickFunnels at 10 years ago, this is your opportunity to get in something at the ground level, the ground floor, and build yourself a nice business. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into this real quick, tell you a little bit about it, where to sign up. The link's going to be directly below in the video description box. Also, there's going to be a link for 20 free AI marketing tools as a bonus. So go down to the description box right there and check them both out. So with that being said, if your ad costs keep climbing, your niche feels crowded, and your best content gets ignored, you're going to want to watch this. There's a new way creators and affiliates are selling online that flips the script. It starts with video one, which is right here. And you can unlock it free right now using the link below this video, as I told you about. Here's the truth. AI didn't just change how we create content. It changed how people buy. Markets get noisier. Costs went up. The old single-player funnel isn't enough anymore. You can be great at content and still feel stuck because you're doing it alone while your audience is scattered across, different platforms. That's the problem this new AI system solves. This model is simple. Top creators and affiliates team up, sell in one smooth checkout, and turn shared audiences into shared wins. No endless cold DMs, no blind ad spend when you're losing a lot more than you're making. No starting from scratch every launch. You'll see exactly how it works inside Video 1 when you unlock your free pass. What's inside Video 1? It breaks down the shift that's happening now, why oversaturated feeds and rising ad costs make the old playbook obsolete, and how to plug into a structure built for today's creator economy. You'll see the big picture, the roles each person plays, and the step-by-step to make your next promotion clean, fast, and profitable. Video 2 and Video 3 stay locked until you register for Video 1 to watch it. That way you get the first piece, you're going to take action, and then stack your next moves. When you hit the page, you'll grab a free 48-hour pass and choose who you are. Are you a creator, are you an affiliate, or are you both? Add your name and email and you're in. You can even get optional text reminders so you don't miss go live times. Then click submit and unlock Video 1 and start watching immediately. Here's why you're going to want to unlock Video 1 immediately. If you're a creator, it means you stop trying to do everything yourself. You plug into a system where affiliates help you sell. Your checkout is built for collaboration, and your audience sees one clear offer instead of a mess of different links. If you're an affiliate, it means you promote with creators. So you're getting a piece of action, no matter if you're an affiliate, creator, etc., etc. This video is going to explain it all. Trust me, you don't want to get in on this. It's groundbreaking. And you can get a clean path of conversions instead of juggling landing pages that leak. If you're both, you're in the best seat in the house. Let's talk outcomes now. Picture your next 100 clicks. In the old model, too many die in the, on the gaps. You got bad handoffs, mixed messaging, broken tracking. In the new model, which you're going to see here, you sell together with one checkout built to convert. That's the lift. There's fewer leaks. There's more revenue per click. You'll see how to set it up in Video 1. Then deepen it in Video 2 and Video 3 after you register. Timing matters. There's a 4-day Offer Lab event happening September 3rd through the 6th. That window is your chance to move with a group that's implementing the same system at the same time. You don't have to guess alone. You get a schedule, sessions, and momentum. So you're going to want to register now, and you're going to get a private link to the event. If you've been waiting for a reset, this is your chance. Quick recap so you know exactly what to do next. Step 1, use the link in the description or the pinned comment to open the page. Step 2, choose your pass type. Are you a creator? Are you an affiliate? Are you both? Step 3, enter your name and email, and Video 1 will be unlocked and sent directly to you. You can also enable SMS messages so you can get reminded of when the next event's going on. Step 4, put Put one insight from video one into action this week, and then unlock the next video and stack the wins. But you're going to want to get in on this. If you ever felt the pressure of higher ad costs, noisy feeds, and do more content with less return, this is your chance to change the rules, and this is going to be the new playbook going forward. And you're going to be able to split the profits with anybody you bring into this system. Say you bring an affiliate in, you're going to get a percentage of the profits. This video is going to explain exactly step by step how it works, but you're going to get a piece of the pie. So if you got somebody that comes in there and selling a lot on the platform, you're going to get a percentage of all the sales they make. And there's all kinds of cool stuff in this platform, and it works out for everybody that's involved. It's a win-win for everybody. So if you want to check this out, which I highly suggest you do, the link's going to be directly below in the video description box. Come on over, check it out. It ain't going to cost you a thing. Click on watch video one and go from there. So if you like what you just seen in this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment in the comments section. But I want to get this out to everybody. And this is backed by Rusell Brunson. He's the person behind this. He's the owner of ClickFunnels. So it's a $1 billion company. So he knows what he's doing. This is going to be the next big thing here. So I wanted to get you guys in, let you know about it, get on the ground level, and make things happen so you can build up your business a lot faster. So now's the time to get in, take advantage of it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.